Hello everyone, welcome back to the Amoretti kitchen. Today we are making a cocktail called the Barrel of Rum. This is actually inspired by a drink at a restaurant called the Mai Kai in Fort Lauderdale, and we're gonna make our own little twist on it this time. Okay, now do I keep going? Oh, it's bright. So first, you're gonna grab your shaker, and we are gonna be using our passion fruit craft puree. You're just gonna wanna do 1 pump. Next, we are gonna use our grapefruit craft puree, 1 pump as well. These are replacing the juice in the original drink. These are concentrated, fruity, tarty, so you don't need to use the whole juice and all that liquid. Next, we are gonna be using 1 bar spoon of our agave syrup. Next, we're gonna do 1 ounce of lime juice, 1 ounce of fresh orange juice, and the best part, the liquor. We have 1 ounce of light rum and 1 ounce of dark rum. Throw some dashes of bitters in here. Today we're gonna do 6. Add a little bit of ice. All right, give it a good shake. Shake and bake. I don't know how to do that. Now, add some ice in your cup. It's a big cup, so you're gonna wanna add a lot of ice. This drink is probably big enough where you could share it with a friend. You can always add more alcohol if you think you need more for the 2 of you. All right, to top it off, we're just gonna add some club soda. And right here we have some really pretty decorations. We have a flower, some kiwi, and some grapefruit to add a little bit of color to it. There we go. Thank you so much for watching. If you make this at home, be sure to tag us on social media. You can find us at Amoretti on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. Bye.